In today's episode, I'm going to solve this puzzle, frame the picture. So let's find out what I need to do. The goal of this exercise is to draw a ASCII art frame around a given ASCII art picture. Always leave one space between the edges of the given picture and the frame. Also remember to rotate the frame pattern around the picture. For instance, if the frame pattern is plus dot, the frame should look like this. I'm not going to do C++, I'm going to do JavaScript. So let's find out what codingame has provided. So for the first line is the ASCII art pattern to frame the picture. The second line is the height and the width of the picture. Actually, this one. And for the for loop, it's basically the ASCII art picture. And lastly, for the output, it's basically the frame ASCII art picture right here. The constraints is pattern length is less than equal to 10, 1 less than equal to height is less than equal to 10, and picture line length is less than equal to 50. So this is the example for input and output. There are only 5 test cases. So the first one is the tiny picture thin frame. The second one is small picture thin frame. The third one is small picture 2 character frame. The fourth one is medium picture 3 character frame. And lastly, the fifth one is sum art. So let's solve it.